on, guys? My name is ToxicXRuin, and I would like to invite you to a game called Thief. Yes, I have been excited forever for this game. I wanted to play it on PS4, but due to the HDCP lock, I didn't realize it was still on when I bought my recording system. I was like, oh yeah, let's go play things on PS4. But then it was like, no, you can't because you have an HDCP lock locked on your PS4. So I have to go buy all the splitter and everything. And I wanted to be able to get this game out to you guys, so I figured, why not just get it on Xbox and still able to be in 1080p. So yeah. Press start. Remember, I play almost every one of my games on Xbox. There might be a few on my channel that are like PS3 or whatever. I know the game comes out a little dark. Okay. Following Square Enix account. You can link it to a different email address. Oh, validate. Okay. Maybe I have to validate this crap? Continue. Game is fully capacity installed on your Xbox. No, yeah, I do not have the memory for that. Okay, options. Let's see, no, what do you mean controls? Game? Audio. Subtitles. On. Here we go. Okay, let's get into this amazing looking game. New game. This is a lot of Batman type thing. Easy adventure for busy thieves concealing without story without the sweat. Let's go. Change difficulty setting once. New games. You say yeah, just okay. Study requires an actor start rest at times, moving result. Let's say progress being lost. That is a really cool thing. I'm about to sneeze. Always be on the lookout for hidden traps. Avoid them or disable them. What the tool? On the streets of the city, civilians are not bothered by our presence unless they feel threatened. I should like smack someone in the head with my hammer thingy.
There's one thing the city's taught me. You can put a price on anything. Secrets, reputations, a life. And trust? If you have to ask, you can't afford it. But then I suppose none of that matters when you're me. After all, when did I ever pay for anything?
I've never played. Oh, God. Okay, are you drunk?
Too much light. Let's make it a little more cozy in here.
Okay, not that. There we go. Take you. Oh, I thought I disturbed him. Steal you. I wonder, is there like an actual like limit to how much you can take? Open you. Take you. I'm gonna get caught because I'm just going around taking everything. Okay, take you. Take you. Can I open you? Take you. Scissors are worth a lot of money in this game, apparently. Take you. Do you have drawers? Yes, you do. Take you. Ooh, coin purse. Nope, nothing in there. Climb over obstacles with this button. What is that noise? Okay, hold X. Come on, open it. Lift! Lift! There you go. Okay. Where am I going? Okay. We'll disturb them. That looks terrible right there. Oh my god. Okay. So do I just have to subtly walk over here.
Someone's a bird lover.
Yeah,
That painting's more my taste. I should take a closer look.
come on. A little faster. X. Pick lock. Find the sweet spot. Oh, okay. That's way easier than Skyrim freaking lock picking. X. Open. Cool. Steal you. You look beautiful.
What the?
Oh god.
Well, they do call the rooftops the Thieves' Highway.
Jump
I just
up.
hope that's not who I think it is.
Okay. Open you. Rope arrow. Hold up to open inventory. Use that. Okay. Where do I shoot it? Hold R2 to draw the bow. There. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, that was the weirdest jump I've ever seen. Okay. LT. Hello, friend.
Aaron. Of course it is. Care to make a little more noise next time?
How else would you know it was me?
Oh, you're hot.
Basso did tell you we were working together on this, right?
Well, I showed up, so what do you think?
I think you haven't changed a bit. Come on, it'll be just like old times.
Jump! Ugh. Man, you suck at jumping. If I have a thief would be good at this by now. Yeah, there you go. Now you got the hang of it. There we go. Ugh. That's a little
Glad
fun
you could
free
make
running
it.
thing.
Did you pick that route because it was fast or because you thought it'd be fun?
Can it be both?
Come on, let's get Basso his commission.
Light gem. The light gem displayed on the lower left of the corner screen indicates whether or not you are hidden in the shadows or dark areas. When the light gem is black, you are likely less to be spotted. Oh, okay. I like that. I like that.
Are you going to use any of those shadows, Lady Lamplight?
I was just scouting ahead. I know you always like to go first.
Okay. Let's peek around you. Okay. How do I get off the corner? Oh, look at you. You look cool. Okay.
You should get yourself one of these. See you on the other side.
Looks like I won't be going that way.
Let's finish unloading before summer's day is over.
Why not drink to a job well done first?
We can't just leave the cart out here.
It's festival time. Your average thief would be under a table in an alehouse.
And the watch will be looking
I
up
think that was a
too.
bad
I'm not
idea.
haggling fines with a drunk guard
I
again.
should not have sprinted out like that. That was a really terrible idea. Oh, look at the pretty stars.
Garrett, come on.
Where the hell? What? Where did you pop up from? I'm gonna
Jealous
see.
of the claw? I made it myself.
I'm sure the watch will be very impressed. They'll certainly hear us coming.
They'll have to catch me first.
Just be aware of your surroundings.
It's not about taking in the sights, Garrett. It's about taking in the loot. You do still
true.
steal, right?
I've been stealing since before you could crawl.
There's the Garrett I know. How
Can you
about a
hear me out
friendly
here?
wager? Let's see who can take in the most.
What? Apparently I have to go this way. our baby. Oh, there we go. I'm up here. Okay.
Look what
Hello,
I
lady.
found. You and me out on the town? Why did we stop doing this again?
Do you really need to ask?
Okay. Hold X to peek
Pays to
through.
keep a low profile in places where I'm not welcome. There's a lot of those places.
Okay. How do I back up? Okay, just say B. I'm gonna sneeze. It's like coming. I can feel it. There we go. Okay. X. Wrong type of X, buddy. Shut you. Okay. Steal you. Steal you. Steal. Oh, nothing in there. Can't steal anything from you. Nope, nothing. Nothing. Man, this house sucks. Nothing. Come on, give me something. There we go. What about you? Nope, nothing. You, man. This house sucks. Let's open you. Steal you. Steal you. Make sure there's no indication that we were here. Okay. Wait, what was that? Can I steal that? No, I can't. Okay, let's go back out here. Close. I don't want anybody like coming up the steps on me. There's nobody to really come up though. No, don't stop that. Open this. That's what I wanted you to do. Nothing in there, of course. Steal the scissors. And nothing in there. Oh wait. I saw something. You! Yes, you gave me something. Okay. What? Oh, there was something else here.
Hard to keep a secret in this neighborhood.
That was the easiest way to put out a light in the world.
You're going to urinate in the street like a watchman. At least do it out of the light. Everybody can see you.
The ale has to go somewhere, dear. I'm just the middleman. Besides, you're the only one watching.
Sure about that?
Every day I'm reminded what a catch you were.
Come on, let's go try those gabble wings.
Gabble
Yeah,
wings?
those gabble wings sound delicious.
Where the hell are you? Will you stop doing that? Where are you, lady? Pop you open. There we go. Okay. Nothing to steal. Can't steal anything from you. Can't steal anything from you. Steal anything up here? No, did she already like loot this place clean? Thank you. There's something. Okay. Take you. Check you. No, nothing. Okay. Absolutely nothing. Oh, there's a bird there. I should have realized that.
So how much did you steal?
It's not how much you steal. It's what you steal.
And how you steal it. Looks like this primal stone thing that Basso wants is in the ceremony room at Northcrest Manor.
It's the Baron's mansion.
Of course it is.
Won't be easy.
Worried?
Yes, and so should you.
We'll be fine. I'll pick up your slack.
This job's getting more complicated by the second.
Of course it is. Where did she go? Okay, get back off the headshot guys complete. Check with him regularly to see what he has lined up. He's lined up absolutely nothing. Okay. Come on, load a little faster. God.
That's a lot of guards.
They're definitely not here for the summer festival dance. A lot of guards means a lot of steel. Thieves and swords do not get on well.
I've never had a problem with swords. But then again, I'm not just a thief.
What are you? Didn't... What? Okay.
We can't let the
Hello.
Baron's guests see this thing giving out. And we can't frigging see without it.
Ah, go off and on all the time.
So you can't fix it?
Do I
Oh.
look like an engineer to you? None of the staff can keep up with all this.
I don't even know how to... How do you move like that? That's so weird. Okay. Behind. Steal from
Bronson,
you.
over here. Huh?
That's so eerie to think about. Like, you don't know
Help
who's
the new
behind
boy,
you
will
and
you?
what they're doing.
He's been trying to light a fire basket for 10 minutes. What am I, his father? Go on, before he sets fire to himself.
Whoopsie. Okay, well that was stupid of me. That was really stupid of me. Wow. Can't believe I just did that. Okay. Stay right here. Come on, come on. Don't hear me. Where am I going? Okay. Come on, open it. Thank you. What are arrows? Here we go. Get it?
Ross, can these damn things stay lit?
How do they even make water arrows? What am I supposed to do? Okay. I already shot the... Ooh. Hello. Thank you.
That
What? I was remaining silent. I was crouching. Really? I mean, for bottles or glasses, storing them is ideal for creating distractions. Maybe that's what I have to do. Slide down ropes and ladders. Okay. These are such weird controls. Okay, let's try this again. I don't know whatever it is I have to do. You're going over there, so I take it. I probably have to go over there. Really? I guess I just have to like kind of creep through the water then. Like, I'm gonna get caught for like the next 10 times. Just watch. Just focus. It can help you pick locks in less time. The storage chest your hideout to stash inventory items for later use. Okay. You duck. Just slowly step into it. There you go. Now you know how you're doing it, Garrett. Come on. Okay, okay. Slide through darkness. Okay, cool. Now, 3 water arrows. No, duck back down. Pull you out and hit you.
Stupid Ross, can these damn things stay lit?
Where? I don't know. I'm gonna mess this up again. As far away over here as I can. dare turn around, I'll cut you. So what do I do now?